Hey guys, hi, very welcome to all of you to the session. This is your master teacher Harsh Priyam and I'm live in front of all of you with a new session of coordinate geometry on basic mathematics lines, and yes, we are here. So how you all guys doing? Hi to everyone. सर मेरा मेल पढ़ा, रुद्राक्ष अभी टाइम नहीं मिला बेटा, बहुत सारे मेल मेरे पेंडिंग है, तो आई विल as soon as I get the time I will see to them. Okay, hi to everyone. I'm good. Vedika, how are you? Hi sir, I'm Harshada. Hi Harshada, namaskar. Hi high five Adarsh, high five buddy. Same to you Aditya, thanks a lot. Nepali, hi sir, hi buddy. Cutting गजब है, अच्छा स्वप्निल, thanks a lot. चलो, so people, shall we start our today's session? क्या कहते हो, शुरू करें? चलो, तो let's start. You are hero Hiralal, okay Dilip. So in coordinate geometry, so I guess you all know these basic things, so I'll not be spending much time over this basic thing, but एक बार बताते चलता हूँ. This is coordinate system. In this coordinate system we have x-axis, y-axis. We call it as coordinate plane. Moving ahead, this is Cartesian coordinate system. These all are the basic stuff, so I'm not explaining this again and again because you'll get bored. And distance formula, which is the most important part of this chapter. So please remember this distance formula, it's very important. I will just show you what is distance formula. Distance is root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now here, there is a lot of confusion that students most of the time do think that, sir, is it x2 minus x1 or is it x1 minus x2? Or can we write both? So the answer is that you can write anything. So you have to simply remember one thing, that root under difference of x coordinate square. Difference of. Now, if I say difference of, so say for example, I'll tell you why I'm saying this. So please pay attention. If I have this 2, 3 and if I have this 5, 9 and if I have to take the distance. So in distance, if you write 2 minus 5, that is x1 minus x2. So that is minus 3 whole square, and then plus 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9 is minus 6 whole square. So you will calculate this, you will get something like 9 and 6 square is 36 and 9 45. So this is root 45. Or if you are calculating d and then you are having root under and then you are doing 5 minus 2. So if you are doing 5 minus 2, that is again 3 square, and then plus 9 minus 3 is 6 square. So either you write minus 3 whole square or 3 square, does not make a difference. And hence I say that in both the situations the formula would be same. Either you write x2 minus x1 whole square or x1 minus x2 whole square. Similarly, y2 minus y1 whole square or y1 minus y2 whole square. That's it, that's the answer. Okay? सर मैं अभिषेक सर को हमेशा रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि शादी मत करना. अच्छा ऐसा है क्या? राम guys. So I hope you all understood it. Okay? Chalo. If you all understood, let's move on. So it's pretty simple. Now, if we have to find the distance of any point from the origin. So if we have to do that, origin is what? Origin is nothing but 0, 0. So if we have to find the distance of a point x, y from 0, 0, we'll just take the distance. So one of the coordinate will become 0. So I'll do x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. This is very simple, root under x square plus y square. As simple as it is. Okay? Chalo. Moving ahead, it's not over yet. So benefits of online education, all these problems which were there with you guys, Vedantu has helped them to solve all of them for you guys. I guess you know that. So all the problems are solved, and not only these problems are solved, rather than apart from that, what Vedantu is offering extra in its courses and its pro subscription, that is unlimited live classes, all micro courses and crash courses, performance report and personalized attention. All these things comes to you with that Vedantu pro subscription. So how you can join that pro subscription, link is given in the description box. That is vdnt.in/ytpro. Okay? So just go to that link, fill all your details, and you will be able to get into the session. Just one thing, at the end, when you are about to do the payment, proceed to pay, before that you will find an option of putting a coupon code. In that coupon code, use HPE Pro. In this coupon code, you will get some extra additional discount. Okay? So go there and check out what's the discount. Chalo people, let's move on and let's start our first question. Here's the first question. So everyone, please pay attention and see what this question says. This question says, find the distance of each of the following points from the origin. Now we know origin distance is pretty simple. Whatever is this, we have to just square this thing. So this is first, or this is my x and this is my y, x comma y. So I have to just do root under x square plus y square. That's it. So the first one, answer is pretty simple. That distance is root under 5 square plus 12 square. Even if you have minus 12 whole square, does not make a difference because whole square will become positive. So everyone is understanding that this is nothing but 13, Pythagorean triplet. This is 13, absolutely good. Second one, this is minus 5 and minus plus 5. So minus 5 whole square is 5 square and plus 5 whole square is also 5 square. Hence you get what? You get 5 root 2. You get 5 root 2, yeah? Chalo, root 50, yeah, absolutely right, root 50. Second one, third one, that is minus 4 and minus 6. Minus 4 and minus 6. So if you write that, this is root under 4 square plus 6 square, and hence this is 36 plus 16. If I'm not wrong, that should be root 52. Yep. All of you agreed to root 13 or root 52? All of you understood this? Come on, tell me yes or no. All of you got it? Root 52, absolutely right, Akshara. Okay, cool. So if you all understood this is pretty simple. Let's move on to the next question. So this is the entire answer. 13 units, root 50 and 2 root 13 or root 52. Fine. Next question. This next question says that we have to find all the possible values of y for which the distance between the point this A and B is 10 units. So first of all, question is saying that distance between AB is 10. And can we find the distance of AB using distance formula? So the answer should be yes. Why we can't find it? We can find it. So I'll write root 10 is equal, 10 is equals to root under x2 minus x1 whole square. 10 minus 2, what is 10 minus 2? 10 minus 2 is nothing but 8. So this is 8 square. Plus, you have y2 minus y3, y1. So y minus of minus 3, what it will be? y2 minus y1. If you will do y2 minus y1, you will have to write y minus of minus 3. So that will actually become y plus 3 for you, whole square. Okay? And this is entire under root. Cool? Yeah. So this is equals to 10. So if you have to solve it, you know that you will have to do a whole square both side because you have to remove the root. So if you do a whole square both side, you will do a whole square here and then you will do a whole square here. So 10 square is nothing but 100. Root under and whole square, that square and root will cancel. So we have 8 square, that is 64 plus, and then y plus 3 whole square, that is y square plus 6y plus 9. Cool? Yeah? Okay, that's great. Many of the students have even got the answer. So people, instead of this, I think I should not remove the square. Let it be like this only. It will be easy. I'll tell you how. So if you send this 64 to this side, 100 minus 64, this becomes 36, which is nothing but 6 square equals to y plus 3 square. Okay, how many of you know? See, everyone knows that we can simply remove the square. But how many of you know that whenever we remove the square, we have to write plus minus. We have to write plus minus. Any one side, either this side or that side. So if I am removing this square and this is square, I don't have to write 6 equals to y plus 3. That will be a wrong representation. That will be half answer. We should write y plus 3 equals to plus minus 6. Means y plus 3, 6 is also equals to y plus 3 and minus 6 is also equals to y plus 3. So y plus 3 has got two values. So if I solve this one, I get 3 equals to y. And if I solve this value, I get minus 9 is equals to y. And hence these are the two solutions. Absolutely right, I know that. Sir, is this for standard maths? No, buddy. So see, there's nothing called as a hard boundary that this is particularly for standard or this is particularly for basic. No. See, I'm just doing questions for all of you. A little easier level. But this question might even appear in standard mathematics. Why not? Because syllabus is same. In standard mathematics, just the level of the question will be a little on a good side. But it is nowhere written that in standard mathematics paper you won't get easy questions. You will get easy questions. Okay? So I guess you all understood that. If you understood, shall we move on? Yeah, give me a yo-yo. पहले मुझे वेदांतों के बारे में नहीं पता था, अब मैं एक regular student हूँ. Okay, Samavartha is saying that earlier she was not knowing about Vedantu and now she has joined Vedantu. That's great. Good to know that, Samavartha. So I'm happy that you are having a good time here. Cool. So let's move on. If you all understood this, let's see the solution. So solution says 3 and minus 9, the same what we did. Okay, चलो आप मोटे हो क्या हो गए हो? अच्छा बेटा रचित, मैं मोटा हो गया हूँ, तो मिल मेरे को, फिर मैं बताता हूँ कितना मोटा हूँ मैं. Okay, sorry. So this is the next question, people. Next question says, if the point A 0,2 is equidistant from the point B and C, find the value of P. Okay, equidistant means what? Equidistant simply means that AB length is equals to AC length. Equidistant means AB equals to AC. That's what it means. So can we find AB? Yeah, distance formula. So I'll write root under x2 minus x1, that is 3 minus 0, 3 square, plus y2 minus y1, that is p minus 2. So p minus 2, y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, this is equals to root under AC. So if I talk about AC, x2 minus x1 whole square, so p minus 0, that is nothing but p square, plus y1 minus y2, so, or y2 minus y1, whatever. So 5 minus 2, that is 3 square. Are you able to understand that both the sides root will get cancelled if we square both sides? So I'm just directly cancelling it. That since square, we will do squaring both sides, here also and here also. We can cancel the root. Okay, so let's write this one directly. 3 square, okay, plus p minus 2 whole square equals to p square plus 3 square. Cool, cool. Very easily you can understand that this square gone. Yeah, okay. Now we have p minus 2 whole square equals to p square. We know that we can cancel the square, but we need to provide plus and minus both of them, any one side. So I'll write, okay, I will cancel this 2 and 2, square and square, and I'll write p minus 2 is equals to plus minus p. That either it will be equal to plus p or minus p. So if I write plus p, please see here, if I write p minus 2 equals to p, this could be one possibility, or p minus 2 equals to minus p, this could be the second possibility. If we go for the first possibility, obviously p and p gets cancelled, minus 2 equals to 0 does not make a sense. So I'll write that this is not possible. Okay, and here if this p goes this side, 2 comes here, so we will find p equals to 1. Here, and this is possible. Yeah, absolutely right, p equals to 1. This is the only answer. Despite this a quadratic equation, this is the only one answer which we can have. Okay guys? Sir, you are ignoring me. No, not at all, Shubham. Buddy, why will I ignore you? I don't ignore anyone. It's just like that sometimes I'm not able to read all the chats. In fact, most of the time I'm not able to read all the chats. Okay? Chalo. Sir, I am he, not she. आप मुझे she बोला. Very sorry, Samavartha. Very sorry. By mistake, I would have said that. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Here we go. So answer is, wait a second. We had to find P. We got P. Find the length of AB. Sorry, we forgot to find that. So you can find, surely we can find length of AB. Once we find P, then we can find AB. 3 minus 0, 3 square, and then P minus 2. So that was 1 minus 2. Solve it. This is root 10. Okay. Chalo. So if you all understood, let's move to the next question. Here's the next question. This next question says, show that the points A, B and C are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. How would you show that? Guys, isosceles triangle, we know. If we have to show any triangle as an isosceles, we would simply find the length of the sides. And if we find two side lengths equal, then we can say surely it's an isosceles triangle. So what do you have to do? You have to find distance formula, man. So who is going to give me the distance of AB? Who is going to give me the distance of BC? And who is going to give me the distance of CA? So first of all, if I talk about AB, everyone, I want the distance. Who is telling me AB? Rudraj, don't say AB equals to AC. Just tell me what's the value of AB. Okay. So Akshara is the first, and then only Akshara, and then Swapnil, Shubham. Swapnil, so Akshara, Swapnil and Rajkumar. It's Akshara, Swapnil and Rajkumar. Very good people. This is first, this is second, this is third. Cool. Okay. Rudraj bhai thoda late ho gaye aap. Okay. So AB, if you find AB, this is x2 minus x1, that is 6 minus 3, 3 square, plus 4 minus 0, 4 square. If you solve this, this is 5. Similarly, BC, B and C. 6 is here and minus 1 is here. If you take a difference, 6 minus of minus 1 will become 7. So this is 7 square, and then 4 and 3. If you take a difference of 4 and 3, you will get 1, isn't it? So plus 1 square. 49 plus 1, root 50. And then for CA, C and A, 3 is here and minus 1 is here. 3 and minus 1 difference, 3 minus of minus 1, that will be 4. So root under 4 square plus 3 minus 0, so 3 minus 0 is 3, 3 square. Answer is 5. Did you all understand it? Oh yeah, side length CA is 5 and this is root 50, this is 5. So 5 square, 25 is 50. And are you able to understand one more thing, that this is not only isosceles, this is rather even a right angle triangle. Okay, sorry, in fact we had to prove that right angle triangle. So we are able to prove why? Because if you will do AB square and plus CA square, you are getting equals to BC square. Are you getting it or not? Jaldi batao. Hence proved, absolutely, hence proved. Chalo, if everyone understood, that's great. So let's see the solution. Same thing what we did. 25 for AB square, CA square is 25 and BC square is 50. The same what we did. Okay? Chalo. Sir, Modi ji ko class pe bulao. Modi ji busy hai. Okay, so this is an information for all of you. Those students who are appearing for NTSC this year, and if they need any support, Vedantu is giving full support to all of you. So Vedantu has a separate channel, that is Vedantu Olympiad School. You can go and subscribe to that channel. There all the NTSC informations are being given. Link for that channel is also given here, vdnt.in/vos. And those students who want to join the session for NTSC preparation, so there are two types of sessions right now being offered. First type of session where you will be taught everything about NTSC, like you will be given all support. And second course is about mock test only. So in this first you get mock test, all India test, test discussion, solution and blah blah blah, all everything. Here you get only test. Okay. So this is 99 rupees, this is 1000 rupees. Okay, and for both of them link is given here. It's given in the description box also. Okay, chalo. Sir, class over? No, not at all, buddy. We have next question. So please don't think that class is over. Chalo, let's see the next question, guys. Show that the following points are the vertices of a square. Acha, ye batao, do I need to do this or will you be able to do this? Because here everywhere you have to just find distance, AB distance, then you have to find BC, then you have to find CD, and then you have to find DA. AB, BC, CD, DA. You have to only do this much. Will you be able to do this? Just give me a yo-yo if you think or if you are confident that yes sir, we will be able to do this. Just give me a yo-yo. Or those who are thinking no sir, I won't be able to do this, give me a no-no. Able, oble, yo-yo, we will do. Sir, today is your birthday. No, Shubham, not at all. Hum kar lenge sir. Okay. Looks like everyone will be able to do. Okay, now the important thing is I can leave it, but I know you won't do it. So please take a promise right now. Take a screenshot of this question and solve it on your own. Please don't leave it. It is going to be useful for you. It's not going to be useful for me. So make it worth. Okay? Chalo. Moving ahead, Akshara has given the answer also 3 root 2. I don't know Akshara, I'll have to see. So is it 3 root 2 anywhere? Yeah, 18 is 3 root 2 only. Akshara, very good. Proud of you. AB is 3 root 2, BC is 3 root 2, CD is 3 root 2, DA is 3 root 2. Very good. Chalo, बहुत ही बढ़िया. Well, very good. Let's move on. Next question. This is the next question. Using distance formula, show that the given points are collinear. Okay. So can you tell me how can we find collinear points? Means how can we show collinearity using distance formula? See, it's very simple. Let me assume that this is my point A, this is my point B, this is my point C. Yeah? Okay. Now, this is a line. But on this line, I don't know where is A lying, where is B lying, where is C lying. So one possibility says that very simple. A could be here, B could be here, C could be here. So in this case, what will happen? AB plus BC equals to AC. Or another case says that B might be here, A might be here, C might be here. So here what will happen? AB plus AC equals to BC. But whatever may be the situation, whatever is the situation, in every situation, you will have to find 3 distances. What distance? AB distance, BC distance, and AC distance. You'll always have to find it. So why don't we find it? So everyone, come on, give me the value of AB, and then give me the value of BC, and then give me the value of AC. Who is going to give me the value of AB? I'll do it in my mind. Char or okay. Akshara said and Rudraksh said. Acha, Dinyeshwar. What? Dayaneshwar. Sorry, I could not read the name, but that he was the first guy. Danyaneshwar. Okay. So Danyaneshwar, whatever is the name. I'm very sorry, I'm not able to read it. It's going pretty fast. So he was the first, second is Akshara, third is Rudraksh. Very good. So AB, people are saying it's 5. Absolutely right. BC, who is going to say BC? 9, 5, and what's BC? What's BC? What's BC, people? BC is also 5. Absolutely right. It's also 5. And what is AC? What is AC? What's the length of AC? Come on. 8, 6. What's the length of AC? AC. Okay, so Vinita, you're not right, buddy. It's not all 5. So absolutely right. Akshara, Rudraksh, and Deepak Babba, like Mehak. Okay, so they are right. Rahul is also right. So it is 10. So from here, I am very much able to see that AB plus BC will be equals to AC. Means AB plus BC means that sure AB plus BC. AB plus BC equals to AC, and hence I can say that, or it is proved that this is collinear. Yeah, correct? Chalo. Can we find the area of triangle? Can we find by area of triangle formulas? Srishti, we can, but this year area of triangle formula has been removed from the syllabus. So I would not recommend you to go by that, because then it becomes on the mercy of the examiner that whether he will give you marks or not. So I would not suggest you to go by that method. Okay? Chalo. Here's the solution. AB plus BC equals to AC. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. Chalo. Next question, guys. Next question says, if the point x comma y is equidistant from the point this and this, then prove that bx equals to ay. How are we going to prove this? Very simple. Let us assume that this is A, this is B, this is C. So question says that A is equidistant from B and C. Means very sure that question is saying AB equals to AC. So what we have to do? We have to apply distance formula. Let's apply that. So if I find the distance formula, x minus of A plus B, x2 minus x1. So I'll write x, let me write here. I'll write x minus A minus B whole square plus y2 minus y1. So I'll write y minus B plus A whole square. This is entire under root is equals to AC. If I talk about AC, again x minus x1, x2 minus x1 whole square. So I'll write x minus A plus B whole square, and then plus y minus y1. So y minus A minus B whole square. And this is also under root. So under root will go away. No problem about it. Because we know we can square it. The thing is this, that we'll have to actually solve this. And it's a quite long one. So how many of you do think that you can solve it? या फिर do you want me to solve it? मेरे को पक्का लग रहा है आंसर यही आएगा कि सर कहाँ हमसे सॉल्व कराओगे, अब उम्र हो चली है हमारी, आप ही सॉल्व कर दो. So will you be able to solve it? हर्ष मैम, अबे नालायक, मैं तो बदमाश हो गई है. सर पता नहीं, सर योर हाफ स्टाइल लुकिंग कूल, हेयर स्टाइल, ओके. मेंटी क्विज, वी विल सॉल्व. अच्छा हर्ष सर, ओके. वाई नहीं नो समवर्था. ओके फाइन, एनीवेज लेट मी सॉल्व इट. So x minus a minus b whole square, if we have to solve it, let me write it down what we will be getting. We will be getting here x square plus a square plus b square minus 2ax plus 2ab minus 2ax plus 2ab and minus 2bx. Okay, cool. Plus y minus b plus a whole square, so we will get it y square plus b square plus a square, then minus 2by and minus 2ab and plus 2ay. ठीक है? This is equals to, now this side, x square plus a square plus b square, so x square plus a square plus b square and minus 2ax minus 2ab and plus 2bx. This is one side, we'll have to write this also. I'm finding space. Okay, let's see. Let me write it down downwards. This is y square plus a square plus b square minus 2ay minus plus 2ab and minus 2by. So guys, I am able to see that you won't be able to see this. I know ये थोड़ा लंबा हो गया, but क्या करें, करना पड़ेगा. So let me cancel it out. Let me cancel it out, people. Everyone please pay attention. X square खटाक, a square खटाक, b square खटाक, y square खटाक, b square खटाक, a square खटाक. बहुत सारे खटाक हुए, मजा आया. हाँ ठीक है, सब सारे खटाक. Now minus 2ax खटाक, 2ab plus का. So we have a minus 2ab here, sorry, this is minus 2ab plus 2bx. So we have plus 2ab and here we have a plus 2ab khatak, and then minus 2bx, we have a minus 2bx here, we have a plus 2bx here, so it won't get cancelled. Minus 2by and minus 2by. Okay, so minus 2by khatak, and what else? Minus 2ab and minus 2ab. Okay, so minus 2ab and minus 2ab khatak. So what is remaining? Remaining is 2bx, and here also minus 2bx. It will go to that side, so that will become 4bx on that side is equals to, here it will become 4ay. Did you all understand it? Sir, Harshan Baba. Okay, so did you all understand it? All of you, come on, tell me yes or no. You proved it, that's great. So hence proved ay equals to bx, khatak. Sir, you're awesome, thanks a lot. Sir, tomorrow pre-board maths, okay? Best of luck, Aditya. May you shine outstandingly. Okay, so if everyone understood, that's really great. We did this question also, which is an HOTS question, high order thinking skill question. Okay, chalo, let's move on. Here is the entire solution, khatak. So they did not do khatak. They used their computers and they got this answer. We used our brains and we also got this answer. Okay, chalo, let's move on. Final. This is the question, find the value of x, and this question I want to give you as homework. Why homework? Because you would be able to see that this is an exactly same question, the same what we did for p. Do you remember we had find value of p equals to 1? So guys, this is your homework. Homework number 1. So everyone please write it down, take a snapshot of this, and you have to solve this. A, B and O. Question says that lie on the circle with center O. If this is the center and these 2 points are lying on the circle, you know that you can write OA equals to OB because both of them will be equal to radius. So you have to just equate OA equals to OB distance formula, you will be able to find x. Okay, Rahul is giving the answer 7. Okay, Rahul, I don't know. Maybe he might be right, he might be wrong. But let's see whether he is right or wrong. Rahul answer is x equals to 2. Anyways, Vedika, no, answer is not 7, answer is 2. X equals to 2. So people, you have to answer, means you have to solve this on your own. This is your homework. Don't miss it. Chalo, moving ahead. So yes, that was all for this session. So all those who like the session, just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, please share this with your friends. Also, I would like to know your comments, how you are feeling, what is going on in you. So that please write down those comments in the comment box. I will read them out. Okay. Now moving ahead, all those students who want to start their live sessions with Vedantu, with me, they can actually go to the link given in the description box. That is vdnt.in/ytpro. That link would be given in the description box. Kindly click on that. Once you click on that link, you will be asked to select your grades. Select your grade, then select your board. Then you'll land at a page like this. Here, click on get subscription. Once you click here, moving ahead, you will get a page like this where you have to choose your subscription, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, whatever suits you. At the time of payment, proceed to pay. Just apply a coupon code here, HPEPRO. So this coupon code will allow you a discount over the discounted price also. See here, that's the difference. So whatever course you are choosing, on that you will get some extra discount. So try this and find out what discount you are getting, and then you can enroll into the course. Okay. So yes, that was all people. See you all guys in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care and good night. Bye bye, love you all.